know what you're doing over there.
I still don't know.
All right, well, however you plan to get from where you are to where I am, I want you to do it right now, okay?
Your wish is my command.
Jack. Jack, what are you doing?
Small step from ledge to yonder wall.
Frankie, what are you doing? Jack!
The walls did not limit Romeo, so why should they sway me?
Forget about Romeo, Jack. What are you doing? Jack! Jack! Jack!
Yeah?
That's not funny, Jack. That's not funny at all. Here.
It was only meant to be. A little trick, a little joke. Just no more for tonight.
That's right. No more jokes for tonight, all right? And I don't believe you. That's my little joke for the night. How's that?
You don't mean that.
Yes, I do. I absolutely do mean that. That's not funny.
Don't believe it. Jennifer. Don't believe it. This is me. I don't care if people like me. I don't care if I'm acceptable in mixed company. What you see is what you get. I was just hoping that you could understand what you could be getting yourself in for. Because I meant what I said before. I do love you.
I love you too, Jack. But you almost gave me a heart attack when you did that.
Can't say I never gave you anything. But I was hoping to give you one more thing tonight. Before you do something you regret, there's something I would hope you could take off my hands.
What? Jack. Jack.
It's an engagement ring. But it's obviously too small for my hand. But you, Jennifer Horton, in your stubborn, feisty ways, continue to go out on ledges for and with me. Will you continue to surprise and delight and make me feel? Will you be my wife? Will you marry me?